Hello everybody, this is Havens Homestead and MSU Bully Farm. I'm going to show you how we turn normal feed into superfood. You let it ferment for 5 days. So what I do is I get all my essential mixtures, everything that I'm going to use. I put it all in one bucket. Mix it up real good. Then at the end I add the spices, the garlic, and all the other good stuff that naturally deworms our chickens. Gives them 150% of their daily intake needed. We go beyond and above. All of this ingredients is organic. See Juju, he's checking out his new babies. He got him some new phantoms. Some phantoms. And some polyoks. I think that one is a hen, Mandy. That one right there is Reba, I believe. The other one I think was Flower. I'm not sure. But back to what we were doing. You let this ferment for 5 days. And you get superfood. Well, I need to go get some more warm water. But that's the idea. By the 5th day, you should be done with this bucket and starting on these. So I suggest the minute you're done, the second day, after the second day of this bucket, start feeding out of this bucket. And the next day after that, feed out of this bucket. Next day after that, feed out of this bucket. That way you go through all your food without it getting bad on you. I actually might. I'm only going to work with 3 buckets. And that should, I should show you, I'll show you how far along I get with 3 buckets worth. This fermentation is going to make them seeds start activating, which is going to release a bunch of other vitamins. Plus, it fermentates, which gives the feed some more property all by itself. That's what we call this special food. All them grains and sugars gives the chicken a little buzz. It's like whiskey in your coffee. Ain't that right, Freddy Krueger? Look at those claws on that thing. Man, I should design a shovel out of his feet because he's a digger. Boy, he got them Freddy Krueger claws. How you got 2 Freddy Krueger claws in the back there? That's a super chicken. That thing's bigger than my dog, man. He tried to hump my stud.